Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a gingerbread house. So let's get started. To draw this gingerbread house, let's start by drawing the roof. So I'm going to come right here in the center and I'm going to draw an angle to draw the peak of our roof. So about right here, I'm going to go and round off the tip and come down just like the other side. And so then from there, I'm going to start to come down more for the roof. And let's see, I come down a little bit more. And from there, I'm going to start to draw a bunch of curves that come back to the center. So right here, I'm going to round it off. And I'm going to start to go back up. So round it off and just start with a bunch of curves. So going up, just following this angle. And I'm going to come right to the center. I'm going to stop and then draw the same thing on the other side. So if you've been following me, you know that I've drawn a gingerbread house already, I think like 3 years ago. So I figured it was time to update a new one. So hopefully you guys love this one just as much as my old one. And I'm definitely making this a free coloring page for you guys as well. So just go to drawsacute.com to download this free coloring page for the Christmas holiday. Okay, so from there, now that we have the roof in, let's come to the top right here. And I'm going to draw a star. So I'm just going to give it a little holder. And I'm going to draw 2 angles. And I'm basically just going to start to draw the points on my star. So I'm kind of going backwards. And finally the top point. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and give our house some structure. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line down on both sides. And let's see, I'm going to thicken it up. So I'm just going to draw 2. Same thing on this side. And let's see, I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. And because I'm making a gumdrop tree right here, I'm going to stop right here and start to draw my gumdrop. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and bring this all the way down. Okay, so from here, I'm going to start with my gumdrop bush tree. So it's just a curve. And I'm aiming to draw 3 gumdrops stacked together. So let's go down a little bit more and round off the ends and connect, and 1 more. There. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag a point across approximately about right there. I'll start my first gumdrop. So about the same size. I'm just still aware of where I'm supposed to end for the base of our house. And so I'm just going to drag this point across and just make sure I'm about the same level. So using that point, I know that's where I'm going to approximately finish my last gumdrop. Okay, so then let's go ahead and finish this pole right here. And I'm going to come in here and add some angle lines to make it like a candy cane pole. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go right across where the gumdrops are. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line across. There, so we've created our house. Now let's decorate it. Let's start by drawing the main focus right here, which is the door. So I'll just give myself 2 points right in the center, about that much. And I'm going to draw a straight line down to that. And then I'm going to draw an arch for our door. So I'm going to go all the way up, about right there, and bring it down. And so then now let's go and draw our windows, which is our next main part of this house. So in this area, I'm just going to draw a rounded off rectangle. So round off the corners and come down. And I'm going to add a little windowsill, a candy cane or licorice, all up to you. And same thing over here. So about right here, just in this space, I'm going to create another rectangle just like the other side. And once again, a little windowsill. Oops. There. Okay, so then now let's go in for some details. I'm going to come to this door right here, and about right here, I'm just going to follow my outside curve. So I'm going to draw a little window in this door and connect it. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right in the center. And you can, let's see here, should we put a line right through it? Sure. Okay, and then let's not forget our little doorknob right here. And let's come in to finish the window. So here I'm just going to draw some angle lines again. And let's come in here and draw the window pane. So I'm just going to come in here and draw these rectangles to frame our glass. Same thing over here. So I hope this drawing really inspires you to come up with your own gingerbread house. And of course, once again, if you want to just not draw it but want to color it, just go to my website at drawsocute.com and you can download this for free. There. Okay, so then let's come above the window, and I'm just going to add some decorations. Have fun with this drawing. It's all up to you how you want to decorate your gingerbread house. The sky's the limit, right? And before I forget, I'm going to come right here and draw some gumdrops once again, just to finish off the bottom. There. Okay, so now for the top, right in the center, I'm going to add a peppermint candy. So in this area, I'm going to draw a big circle. And I'm going to add right here a little curve to make it look like a candy. And then in the center right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm going to start to draw the swirl. So one, everything comes from the center. And let's do 4. There. And let's see, right underneath the peppermint, we have some room, so I'm just going to go ahead and wiggle a curve all the way across. And I'm going to thicken that wiggle to make it a little stripe. And maybe we can add some circles as well, add some more color to our house. And okay, let's see here. And then on the top right here, I'm going to draw some circles as well. Let's see here. I'll start at the bottom, so we can add more color to our house. So 4. Okay, so same thing over here. 1, to approximate 2, 3, and 4. And then let's add a chimney, of course. So say right here, just gonna add a line behind, and let's see, I'm gonna wiggle some snow, drizzle some snow, so just a little wobble right there, come up for the top of our chimney and connect it. And let's draw some curves right here to make our gingerbread nice and cozy. And let's see, we can add some lines if you like, or we just leave it as is then. And then let's come in here. I'm going to draw some more circles. So this way you guys have a lot of places you can add a lot of color. There, okay, and then let's see, let's decorate a little bit more. So I'm gonna come about right here, just draw some curves to give our gingerbread house some scenery, and I'm gonna add a big old lollipop right here. So a little angle line right there for the stick, and then a big circle. And once again, I'm gonna come right in the center and then draw a bunch of swirls. It's all up to you what kind you want. Maybe this is a big peppermint lollipop. Then you can just add some greenery in the back, finish it off, and one more over here. And let's see here, maybe this is just a circular one. Swirl. There. And once again, just like the other side, some curves to finish it off. And let's see, I think I'm pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this new gingerbread house I've created for you. And once again, if you want to just color it, make sure to go to my website at drawsocute.com and you can download this for free. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to draw it and color it. And of course, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.